Hello all, and welcome to Clojure Diary. So, if you have remembered, like I'm putting a vlog after a very long time, that's because I have assigned myself some Clojure projects. So that's the thing. And the first thing was, yeah, it's called as Dicknell. I want this to be LinkedIn killer, right? So for this, I've been doing some research and all those stuff, right? So, but I just want to put a product in Clojure. So, what I just thought is like, look, Dicknell is anyway going to be some static websites, mostly hosted on some server, and somehow this static websites being communicated to other people using Activity Pub or something like that, right? So, that's how it is. So, or maybe we won't even use Activity Pub. We'll just be content with RSS and all those stuff, right? So, that's the thing. So yeah, Decknell is supposed to be a LinkedIn killer, but yeah, like before that, I found out like I had a lot of what to say deficiencies in what to say doing a closure project. So I just thought, look, why can't I just do a very simple closure project? Something put a tool like Jekyll, what to say, logging system or something like that. So if you people don't know, Jekyll is Jekyllrb, I think. You put Jekyll RB, you will get it. Yeah, so this is a blogging system that's been written with Ruby, and it's kind of hacker friendly. That's how it is. So that's how I want first lead to be, and it has got a repo it's got a repo over here, next4gigo.org or something like that. So that's the thing. And where is this? Yeah, this is the repo for it, right? So, and look, for personal use and non-commercial use, it's going to be free. Lead is going to be totally free. And if you want to use for what to say commercial purpose, or if you are a professional and you're using it, then it's going to cost. Okay, so that's how it is. In short, if you're not making money, it's free. If you're making money, somehow I think this is going to cost. Okay, so that's how it is. So yeah, and it is mean I want to put it under dual license. One is GPL v3 or later. For that you need to pay so that like you can modify the software and all those stuff. And another license is like, okay, a proprietary license where you need not pay, but you can use it. But there will be some elements a lot of elements in lead cannot be changed. Okay, so that's how it is. That's the idea. So yeah, that's because look, I just don't want this project to be put in to often or something like that without lack of funding. So the knowledge that's been gained in lead will used in Deckner. So that's how it is. So yeah, that's how it just goes. And another thing, what I just want to say is like I just found a very excellent library in Clojure. So let me say like okay, what I did in lead. Okay. This is okay. So this is what to say a kind of a blog that's been generated by lead. Okay, so look, this is just a design. Okay, so this is not final. I still need to put math jacks to put mathematical formulas. Then I need to what to say put something like code highlighting or something like that, maybe highlight JS or something like that. So all those things are there. And what to say and but yeah, these are all being generated what to say in using LED. So this is how the front blogs page will be and all those stuff. And if you want, like I can generate the blogs page because you're not getting the menu over here, and that's the thing, right? So let me just go over here, and hopefully if I just put blogs, it'll read the blogs, right? So okay, right. So I think I need to execute it. Okay, so logs, right? Okay, so that's how it is. Hopefully, I will get that. pencil symbol over here. Yeah. So this will finally go to a menu. Okay, but yeah, there is no menu being designed right now. So clicking each and everything will bring something like this blog and all those stuff. So I've mainly used Bulma for this, okay, for layout, and that's the thing. And so yeah, that's how this is going, right? So yeah, this will be paid, and paid if you want it for GPL v3 license and something like that, and proprietary. What to say? If you uh, that is like it'll be paid if you want to modify the software. Proprietary if you just don't want to modify. That's the thing. So now we are aiming to become something like Jekyll of Clojure, but I don't know. Maybe it might fail due to my laziness. The final thing is like we want to make it like Medium, even though like we will have very intuitive interface like Medium for blogging and everything. It'll finally generate into static websites and it'll push to whatever like FTP server or something like that, or your Git repo or something like that. So that's how this I wish to be. So the knowledge gained over here will be used in technical, right? So that's how it is. And I found a very, very excellent library over here. Like I was just wondering how to generate CSS from Clojure, right? So if you just look over here, like I am using a library called CLG style, right? So this is over here, and let me just go to Clojars. Okay, so Clojars. Okay, so I really like the way Clojure ecosystem is just doing. Like rather than putting like something dot Clojure dot something, what to say, subdomains, they are putting new domains and all those things. But yeah, like for a big company, getting new domains is not a big stuff. So because they can buy a lot, right? So this is the CLJ style, and they have given something like hiccup kind of way of generating what to say style sheets, and it is good, and of course I made a mistake over here. I need to put something like colon over here, so make it like a keyword or something, right? But it still works even if I don't make it like a keyword. It still works. I don't know how, right? So that's how it is, right? So and the thing is like this has been done 12 years ago, like and that's the thing. And yeah, so that's how it is. But yeah, it just looks good. Either this is highly mature, like this never need to change or something like that, or maybe like the people abandoned it, and but without because I don't have much knowledge, I'm using it. I don't know. So that's the thing. So I just want to tell about the CLJ style, and it's very, very good. So that's very easy to generate. But one issue I just find is like, look, I just want to give it like one jar, right? And this jar should also include all these icons and all those stuff. This pencil icon you can see at the right bottom and all those stuff. But the thing is, I don't know how to put this icon in a Leningen project. And when it's been made into a jar, I don't know how to take this icon and put it into the user's file system, right? So that I just don't know. Yeah. So right now I'm just posting it in archive.org, and then what to say, just pulling it out. So in archive I just uploaded all the logos and all those things. So that's how it goes. Like that's how it goes, and hope yeah. So hopefully, yeah, I'll be able to make some kind of blogging system and all those stuff. So yeah. So mostly these are my Clojure adventures right now, and yeah, of course, like I also did something like which I'm which I feel proud. Okay, so Clojure book, this one. So if you go to Clojure book, and this is only in HTML version, right? So of course PDF and EPUB are lagging behind. I will update it. So you have got a section called projects with Leningine. So how to create projects with Leningine and all those stuff, and it explains everything like what to say, creating a Leningine project, how to use the arguments, and doing a very simple stuff, and what to say. And finally, it also tells about Ripple. And look, in some of the Clojure channels, I would have put like, okay, look, I want to put this as what to say, this into Amazon within a week, but I don't think that's possible because I also need to write about testing in Liningen, right? So that's the thing. And maybe after that's been over, I'll put a section about EDN and all those things, possibly before namespaces, and I'll put a section for EDN, and then I can just write about doing projects with depth EDN. But right now, I don't know how to do projects with depth EDN and all those stuff. So yeah, like I'm just postponing it. So that's how it is. So yeah, these are my Clojure adventures right now, and if somebody's been interested to join me to do all this, yeah, like most welcome. But of course, we are what to say, like um, um, highly high thinking people. Like high thinking people means like, yeah, if one programmer says one thing, another programmer will go in another way, right? Because brains have been tuned to think in a diverse way. So like even if nobody comes, yeah, that's also okay. Like I do understand the tech world and all those stuff, or I feel like I understand the tech world, right? So that's the thing, right? So, but yeah, if somebody wants to come and help me, like, or even a college student wants to come and help me, so that like he can gain experience and become a better professional before even he can finish his college, or even if some professional guy who wants to become more professional wants to come and help me so that he can learn Clojure or something like that, most welcome. I'll be very very happy to share my projects, to teach about them about my projects, and to get their work out for these projects to be completed. So it'll also help me, right? So that's how it is. So yeah, these are my Clojure adventures right now, and of course, like, yeah, I do have a full-time work, and so I can't just concentrate on Clojure all the time, even though my heart is with Clojure, right? So that's the thing. So anyway, thanks for watching. As I'll be putting what to say, more updates as I learn more and more Clojure. Let's see where it goes.